Hey everyone, this is First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich with a flash flood update. We've got some major flooding going on in parts of Charlotte. It's really the south side of town. We've got a tropical thunderstorm just sitting there dumping heavy rain. Let's get right to the radar. I'll show you where it is. There's your flash flood warning that's in effect for southern Mecklenburg County until 9:30 this evening. You can see the areas impacted include parts of Uptown, most of East Charlotte, Northeast Charlotte University area, all of South Charlotte, and parts of southwestern Mecklenburg County. You can see the green box there. Let me loop this a couple times. This is a 1-hour loop, and you can see this thing is just not moving. It's just meandering, and we've seen 1 to 2 inches of rainfall already across this area. Let me just show you some of the rainfall amounts. I mean, this is the rainfall rates, and it's just unbelievable amounts of rainfall falling in such a short period of time across the Piedmont. I'm going to widen this out a little bit and to give you a little bigger perspective. You can see how these storms are just kind of parked here. A couple more warnings back to the east kind of shows you where we've got some additional flash flooding going on, but the main rain really is centered right over Mecklenburg County. Just to kind of highlight what we're looking at, let me show you some of the creek cams. This is McMullen Creek at Addison Drive, and if you look very carefully there, you can see we're getting some flooding very close to the top of the road. This culvert's got a very narrow opening here, so it's not going to take much to cause some flash flooding. This is the Briar Creek at Shamrock Drive. Again, still in its banks, but this is really high. Typically, I can see this bank here, and the water is only in the middle of the channel. This is the Briar Creek at Providence Road. Look at that runoff. I mean, it looks like white water flowing down from this channel back into the main channel. This is the Little Hope Creek off Mockingbird Lane. Kind of hard to see. The water's not up to the top here yet, but we'll keep an eye on that. This is the Little Sugar Creek at Kings Boulevard in Uptown. And if you know the Greenway area, this floods quite a bit. This is extremely high water here. Typically, it's not up to these trees, but very heavy rain across the area. Please be safe. Do not drive into standing water. Turn around. Don't drown. I'll keep things up to date online, on air, and on social media.